हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, योर अगेन मोस्ट वेलकम है इन जावास्क्रिप्ट बिल्ट-इन फंक्शन मास्टरी सीरीज ऑफ कोड लर्नियम। सो हम इस सीरीज में ऑलरेडी 2 वीडियो बना चुके हैं। इन फर्स्ट वीडियो वी कवर पुश पॉप शिफ्ट अनशिफ्ट मेथड्स एंड इन सेकंड वीडियो वी कवर ट्रिम टू अपर केस टू लोअर केस इंक्लूड all methods with the real world project example। so अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो आप उन वीडियो को ज़रूर चेकआउट करें। एंड दिस इज़ द वीडियो 3 एंड इस वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे इंडेक्स ऑफ जॉइन एंड स्प्लिट। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, बिकॉज हम वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव कंटेंट आपके लिए हमेशा लेकर आते रहेंगे अराउंड वेब डेवलपमेंट। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। यू कैन सी वी हैव वीडियो 1 2 3। so this is the today topics index of join and split। so let's start the live server। Okay, so let's first discuss about the basic of index of join and split. We will uh, then we will do some real world example. So let's first start the basic. Like we have the array of the some characters like A and then B and then C. Okay, and then if we want to know the index of any characters, then what we can do, log arr dot index of the b. Okay, then you will get, then if you will refresh, then you will get 1. so this will give 1 means the index of element if the element is present. If we want the index of d, so d is not present, means when the element is not present, then it will give -1. Okay, so what we can do with this, we can make some small projects, some small real life example. so like we have the some passengers data. These are the passengers. Okay, and what we can do, if we want to know the seat number of any passengers, so what we can do, we can do simple log then passenger. We will find in the bus, we will show the passengers list. We will find in the passengers list, so passengers dot index of, and then we give the name of any passenger. so like if we give this David. Okay, so you will get the 3. Let's comment out it and then let's refresh. You will get the 3. It means 0 1 2 3. If you will count 1 2 3 4, this is in the number of fourth, but we are getting 3. Why? Because array indexes are always start with 0. so what we can do, like this: let sheet number equal to this, and we can do console.log sheet number plus 1, then we will get 4. If we want to get the sheet number of Harry, then we can give the Harry. Then you can see the 8. Let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Success. we able to make the functionality. And if we do like who are not present, so we will get the my 0 means no seat, because we get the -1 and we do +1, so -1 and +1 become 0. So when if we type, we give the name which is not present, so we will get the 0. And if we will give the name who is the present, then we will give correct index of this element. And we will get in console sheet number is the index, but we are doing +1s, means we will get in console index +1, means the correct sheet number which starting from 1. Okay, that is the example of the indexOf. I hope you like it and you able to understand it. So like this video, and if you are getting it, so comment out yes, otherwise no, so I will improve my content to the next video. And let's discuss about the join, how join will work. So let's do it. Let comment out this. Let's array equal to, in this array we have something like this code, and then Learnium, code Learnium. Guys, subscribe to code Learnium, and then YouTube. Okay, what we can do with join, so like log arr dot join, and then we will join the all element with the space. Then you can see, if you will refresh it, then you will see all all character are become a string. And you can see same join array into strings, means what will do join will convert array into string, right? And as we see, we have the array, and we convert array into string, so it means it is working perfectly. And we know the practical example. And let's discuss about the split method. So what we can do with split, like we have a string, let str equal to, we have the string subscribe to code Learnium. Okay, subscribe to code Learnium. We have this string, and we can print in this to console. आप देख सकते हैं कंसोल में सब्सक्राइब टू कोड लर्निंग हम प्रिंट हो रहा है। एंड हम क्या कर सकते हैं, इफ वी विल डू str डॉट स्प्लिट, हम इसको स्प्लिट करेंगे, जहाँ जहाँ पर स्पेस होगा वहाँ से हम इसको ब्रेक करेंगे और इसको हम एरे में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे, राइट? यू कैन सी स्प्लिट टर्न स्ट्रिंग इनटू एरे, मीन्स स्प्लिट स्ट्रिंग को एरे में कन्वर्ट कर देता है। सो यू कैन सी वी सक्सेसफुली एबल टू कन्वर्ट स्ट्रिंग इनटू एरे। Let's see the one more example with in the another patients, if we have the some tags, some let some tags with the array like HTML, like we have an array with some tags. So what we need to do, we need to do convert all tags in string with the comma separated. So what we can do, we can log we can print in console all tags with comma separated using join. So हम क्या करेंगे, हम अगर यहाँ पर स्पेस मीन्स एम्प्टी स्ट्रिंग हम यहाँ पे पास करेंगे तो ये स्ट्रिंग में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा और विथ द स्पेस, बट if we give the separator like comma, then you can see all tags convert in the comma separated strings. And what happen if we have tag we have a string of tags with comma separated, then what we can do, we can convert it into array. Okay, how to convert all tags into array and how to save db. So this is the real world example, like we type in the youtube tags in comma separated, but in YouTube database tags are saved in the array format. So how we can convert, so like tag let tag array equal to tags dot split. हम कहाँ से स्प्लिट करेंगे, हम स्प्लिट करेंगे जहाँ जहाँ पे हमें कॉमा दिखाई देगा वहाँ से हम इसको ब्रेक करेंगे इस स्ट्रिंग को और हम एरे में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे. तो लेट्स प्रिंट द टैग एरे. So you will able to see the array of tags. So I hope you successfully understand the index of joins and split, because I saw the multiple example and all example we saw the real world example. So I hope you able to understand the clearly, and in next video we will discuss about the advanced array methods, because we complete inbuilt all basic inbuilt functions, and in the next video we will discuss about the advanced array methods like for each, map, filters, reduce, all those things. So guys, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of our next video. Thanks for watching this video.